and welcome to our teaching learning process. Dear student, in previous some periods, we have learned various topics of writing skill and I hope you would enjoy it. Now, today we are going to glance a very important and very easy writing skill topic, that is dialogue writing. Dialogue writing is a very simple from the examination point of view, and if we practice it well, definitely it would give you 5 out of 5 marks. So question 5B, dialogue writing. Let's have a glance towards this question. The first, there are 3 segments of dialogue writing: A, B and C. A carries 1 mark, B carries 1 mark and C 3 marks. In way, A, prepare a dialogue from the jumbled sentences. They have used various themes from the chit chat activities. Now, how it is there, we are going to see later on. The next one, complete the dialogue. Here also, question two answers and it will give you 1 mark. Now, for 3 marks, write a dialogue on the given theme. Write dialogue on the given theme which is already given in chit chat and based on the subject of any prose or poetry. Minimum 3 exchanges are needed here. Now the next one, we have to glance now the theme scheme of marking for the dialogue writing. Dialogue writing marking scheme. Appropriate sequence of the given dialogue, 1 mark. Appropriate responses to complete the dialogue, 1 mark. Meaningful minimum 3 exchanges on the given theme, right? 3 marks. So we have to consider some precautions while writing the dialogue. Use appropriate tense for dialogue writing. Use or choose language style suitable to the context and relationship between the parties involved in the conversation. Use simple and lucid language, keeping in the mind the flow of conversation. Use punctuation marks appropriately. We are going to see these all the things which are mentioned, I have mentioned here briefly. So now let's glance to the actual dialogue writing which is asked in the examination. Question 5B, do any one of the following. B1, prepare a dialogue by arranging the given sequences in proper order. So I have already given the sequence in proper order, but in the examination the sequence is not given in proper order. Is there a place you want to visit? I wish to go to the art gallery. Is dialogue may be this: India won the match. Rahul Dravid was declared the man of the match. Who won the match? Who was declared the man of the match? So jumble is there. So we have to write in a proper sequence. Who won the match? India won the match. Who was declared as the man of the match? Rahul Dravid was declared as the man of the match. So already dialogue is given, just we have to write in a proper order. It's very simple. Questions are there, answers are there. Just we have to write, we have to mention right answer for the right question. And very simple one, we can get 1 mark very easily with the help of that. Now next one, that is B, sometimes it is asked as a 2. Complete the dialogue. It is also very simple. Do you like to hear bedtime stories? Answer you have to given. Which stories do you like to hear the most? Answer you have to given. Suppose, do you like to hear the bedtime stories? Yes, I like to listen the bedtime stories. Which stories do you like to hear the most? Fairy tales, I like to hear the most. So just like that, you can write any answer which is appropriate regarding to the question. Okay, so already questions are there, just we have to write the answer. But while writing the answer, we have to identify the tense of the question, and according to the tense of the question, we have to write the answer. Suppose, do you like to hear the bedtime stories? Yes, I like to hear the bedtime stories, in simple present tense. Which stories do you like to hear? I like to hear fairy tales, in simple present tense. If the question is asked, what did you do after study, then we have to write in simple past, I do a lot of work after my study. Okay, so take consideration what is the answers very easily, but take into the consideration some precautions while writing the dialogue writing. Now third one is given here, write a dialogue and on preparation for exam between you and your friend. Minimum 3 meaningful exchanges. Now I am going to teach you here, I am going to give an example of this question, that is preparation for the examination. This is the subject, and who are the characters? You and your friend. So we are going to write the dialogue regarding to that one, but before writing the dialogue, let's have glance on some important things while writing the dialogue writing. What are these? So first upon, write down the characters. Characters played important role in the dialogue writing because the characters are going to speak with each other. So understand the role relation between the character, what are the roles of the characters and how they are going to play the role with each other. Write the place where the dialogue had happened, understand the time when it is happened, write the gestures of the dialogue given, that is the character, because many times or every time when we speak with each other, we never speaks with each other with empty mind, empty face. We often speak with each other with having a lot of gestures on our face, lot of body movement is there are emotions on the face, actions of the characters. So actions of the characters, gestures, movements should be given in the form of in bracket in the dialogue writing. In bracket we have to give the gestures of the character. Punctuation marks played a key role in writing the dialogue. So we have to use various punctuation marks. As we know, punctuation marks are, as the same rules are there in Marathi, the same rules are in English. So use various kinds of sentences to show the emotions of the character. We know assertive, imperative, interrogative, exclamatory. So all the kinds of sentences should be used in dialogue writing. Use simple and lucid language. In dialogue writing, the characterization and what the characters are speaking with each other regarding to the subject, which is very important. So our language should be very simple. Write the dialogue with the help of simple questions and answers in the form of questions, and write the answers of the questions. Tense, it is very important role play with the help of tense. What is the tense of the dialogue? It is depend upon the subject of the dialogue, because dialogue, when the two characters are speaking in front of each other, usually they use simple present tense, but sometimes when we are speaking the events which are happened in past, we can use simple past tense also. So, and very important, in the examination it is given write minimum 3 exchanges of the characters, but it's my opinion as a moderator, as a cross moderator, as a chief moderator, my opinion is try to write at least 1 page of the dialogue. That means you can leave 1 line after 1 character's dialogue, but at least 1 page we can write easily in that dialogue writing. So after that, the subject, what was the subject of our dialogue? Yes, preparation for the of the dialogue. Now what are the characters? Me and my friend. You can write a name also, Sumit and Amit, Rohan and Sohan. So it is depend upon you. But as the question is asked, write a dialogue between you and your friend. So like that, you can write this one also. Okay. So me and my friend. Hi friend, how are you? Hi, I'm fine, thanks. Meeting after a long time? Where are you? Yes, busy in studies. I usually study at least 8 hours in a day. पहा, ते म्हणत असताना त्याच्या चेहऱ्यावर भाव कसे आहेत? आनंदाचे आहेत, किमान दररोज 8 तास तरी अभ्यास करतो बरं का. चेहऱ्यावर एक आनंद दिसतोय तो आपण लिहिला तिथं इन ब्रॅकेटमध्ये. 8 hours सरप्राईज. मला आश्चर्य वाटलं, 8 hours दररोज 8 तास अभ्यास, सरप्राईज अल्पा कंसामध्ये दिसतंय. यस, इट इज नीडेड फॉर द एक्झाम्स पॉइंट ऑफ व्ह्यू. व्हॉट डू यू डू? ओनली रीडिंग? नो, using all the study skills. Study skills? What are the study skills? Surprising ba. We cannot read all the time. So we have to make notes, write something, sometimes listen, sometimes speak with your friend, sometimes see some important videos, give test, manage the time, sometimes memorizing, sometimes memorization, sometimes solving the mathematics, checking answers, consult your teachers and parents. These are some of the study skills. Is that so? Joy on a face. असं असतं? Yes. Thank you very much. You all showed me a new way of learning. It's my pleasure, dear. Okay, bye now. My exam is like this. Simple sentences we have to use. With the help of that sentences we have to enrich our dialogue. Don't forget to use punctuation, proper punctuation mark. Don't forget to use in bracket sentences. With the help of these tricks, definitely we will get 5 out of 5 marks in dialogue writing. So what are the key points? The first one is jumbled order, second one is complete the sentences, and third one is prepare a dialogue by your own. So 1 mark, 1 mark and 3 mark. Definitely we will get 5 marks, but mind it well, practice is very important. Practice makes man perfect. So you have to practice again and again. So practice well, definitely you will get good marks. If you like this video, definitely you are going to like it, and also don't forget to subscribe it. That means you will get, if you subscribe my channel, definitely you will get such kind of more videos which will help you in your study. So thank you and best luck for your studies. Thank you.